In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export invoices in Hubstaff. If you need to download your invoice data for record keeping, reporting, or sharing with your accounting workflow, Hubstaff makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path to find the invoice export option and complete the export smoothly. To begin, make sure you're already signed into your Hubstaff account and viewing your organization dashboard. From here, look toward the financials area in the navigation. If that section is currently expanded or you're inside one of its pages, click the back arrow next to Financials. This takes you back to the main Financials menu so you can access the correct section more easily. This is a helpful starting point because invoice tools are grouped there, and returning to the main Financials view can prevent confusion if you were previously working in payroll or another related area. Once you're in the right place, click on Invoices. This opens the Invoice section where you can view the invoices associated with your workspace. Depending on your setup, you may see a list of invoices, billing details, or invoice-related options. Take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct page before moving on. This is especially useful if your organization has multiple financial features enabled and you want to avoid exporting the wrong type of data. After that, click on Export. This is the action that starts the invoice export process. Hubstaff will then prepare the invoice data for download. In many cases, the file will download automatically, although in some browsers you may be asked where you want to save it. If that happens, choose a location that's easy to remember, such as your Downloads folder or a dedicated Finance folder on your computer. Once the export is complete, open the downloaded file to verify that everything you need is included. It's a good habit to quickly review the file right away so you can confirm the export worked as expected and that the invoice information is complete and readable. If you manage invoices regularly, you may also want to rename the file with a clear date or reporting period to make future reference easier. And that's it. That's how to export invoices in Hubstaff. As you can see, the process only takes a few clicks once you know where to look.